So here's how you can make this digital poster your own. First, check this out. All these little directions on the side, you can read them to help you personalize your poster, and they won't show up in your final product, in your final image. So this one says background color, right click or two finger click, depending on your computer, on the background. So I'm going to click over here and choose background, and I can choose any color I want. I think I'm going to make it like a light blue. Boom, turns light blue. That's pretty cool. It also says over here in this purple box that I can change the color of anything if I click on the object and then the paint can over here. So I'm going to change my color to, I don't know, maybe white. I like it. I need to change this topic here to my topic. I'm going to make my poster a book review poster about the book Wonder by R.J. Palacio. So there we go, Wonder by R.J. Palacio. If I wanted to make sure it's centered, I can drag it back and forth and look for that red guideline to appear. It shows me when things are centered. Right under that, it says digital poster created by, and I'm going to change that to be my name and my partner assistant principal's name. Even though she's not with me right now working on it, I'm going to use her as an example if I was working in partnership. I need to insert an image. It says your image here. Insert, image, search the web, insert, and then delete this placeholder. So I'm going to go to insert, image, search the web, and I'm going to search for Wonder. Oh no, that's Wonder Woman. That's not what I'm looking for. Let me try Wonder Book. Sometimes it takes more than one try to find what you're looking for. No, that's not what I'm looking for either. Maybe I'll try Wonder. Oh, look, RJ Palacio. Google knows what I'm looking for, so I'm going to click on that. Ooh, I love this image. So I'm going to select that image, and then at the bottom, I'll choose Insert. Sometimes it takes it a minute. It says creating images. Ooh, I love that. So I'm going to shrink that down so it fits nicely on my page. And like it told me to, I'm going to delete this placeholder. I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to put that picture of the book right there. I love it. So then over here, I might widen this by clicking and dragging. And I might put more text here about the book instead of the silly placeholder information that I have. Whoops, I didn't need to move it. Undo, a double click, and drag all that so that I can type. Let's see, click and drag. This is the summary of Wonder. I would type real things. This is what I have to say. It was great. I am answering my teacher's questions. Whatever the teacher asked me to, I might go on and on and on. I might have some bullet points like this and this and this was some main points of the story. And look down here, I can add more information to. Now that I see it done, I want to change the background color. Maybe I can get it to be a little more that kind of aqua. Come on. Let's see. Not this. That would be too bright. Maybe I can tone it down just a little if I choose custom. Because I want it to be kind of like the Wonder color. That's okay. I'll go with it. It says need more space. Click on the background. So I'm clicking on the background, and then it says I can click on this triangle to make the poster bigger. Oh, cool. So I could make it bigger if I needed to, but it was the right size for me, so I'm going to hit undo. I think I'm happy with it. And it says, what if I'm done? If my poster's done, I go to File, Download As, Ping. File. There it is, Download As, Ping. And that's going to download for me. Mine downloads because I'm on a Chromebook, and it saves it. So I could say show in folder, and it would show me where it is, so that I will know. If you're using Chrome on a computer, it will often download into the bottom corner right here, so that you can just drag it somewhere that you need it. I'm going to click on this link. It says next to post it to the class's Padlet. Once I get to the Padlet, It's loading for me right now, so it's going to take a minute. But if I go back over here, the directions say that I also need to upload my poster and the names, and then review and comment on other people's work. So if I go over to the Padlet, here it is. I can double click anywhere on the Padlet or the plus sign over here. I'm going to double click to start a new one, and I'm going to say Wonder by R.J. Palacio. I'm going to make sure I say this is by Meredith and Julie. And then I'm going to use that plus sign to add an attachment. It says I can drag and drop a file. So if it had shown up on your computer in the corner, you could drag and drop it in or choose a file. I'm going to choose a file from my downloads because that's where mine downloaded to. Because I'm on a Chromebook, I can go to my downloads here. Here's the copy of my poster, open, and it should pop right in. Once it loads, let's give it a second here. It says preparing. Oh, looks good. Okay, there's my poster. Now my teacher also said for me to review others. So this was the example, and I can click on it to look at it more closely. So this was just the example. And then I can add a comment below. I can say, great work. I really liked how you did this or did that. I can give some compliments to my classmate, or I can even ask a follow-up question like, tell me more about this character, or is it a sci-fi novel? I could ask a question to follow up. So that's it. If your teacher asks you to download it somewhere else or to post it to the classroom or Seesaw, you would do that as well. Hope this was helpful.